Hello guys, music, and in today's lesson I'm going to teach you how to play this song called Golden Dust by Alison. Okay, so this song has a lot of synth sounds, and yeah, there are actually only 4 main sections. Okay, the 4 sections, after you get those sounds and all the notes, then you can start to like overlay all this other stuff on top of it. Okay, but anyways, some of the parts it's impossible to play all at once, but it's like a combination of these sections. Okay, so anyway, the first section is the main section, and this section, every section you can play it for 4 times. But anyways, here we go. So the first section, give you a preview, goes like this. Like that. That's the first section you can learn. You can play that for 4 times. So, but anyway, let's learn it. So it's not difficult. Right hand starts on the G up here, middle C, go up an octave C, go up to the G. So it goes G down to D, E flat, D, down to B flat, and that's it for the right hand. Okay, so one more time. So it goes like this, goes G, D, E flat, D, B flat. And that's it for the right hand. Once you get the 5 notes for the right hand, left hand we have 5 chords. These 5 chords are really important because this whole song is pretty much made up of these 5 specific chords in this particular order. So the 5 chords are A flat major, which is A flat C, E flat. Second chord down to E flat major, which is E flat G, B flat. Third chord F minor, which is F, A flat C. Fourth chord back to E flat major again. And fifth chord C minor, which is C, E flat G. Okay, so yeah, remember these 5 chords, extremely important. So just pause this video and just practice these 5 chords first. So A flat major, E flat major, F minor, E flat major, and C minor. So all these 5 chords in mind, the 2 hands together goes like this, G and A flat major together. Well, it's really simple. You know how it's 5 notes on the right hand and 5 chords on the left hand? Everything is played together. So it's like tkada, 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 like that. Okay, and it goes like this. So tkada, 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 like that. Okay, and really distinct kind of rhythm as well. It's like dun, 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 like that. Okay, that's it for the first section. So you can play that for 4 times if you want. Okay, or as many times as you want. Okay, that's the main theme. Okay, moving on to the second section. The second section, give you a preview, goes like this. Okay, so it's pretty much the same chords, and then it's the last chord where the right hand has this synth motive. It goes like this. Give you a preview. It repeats. Okay, let's learn it right now, the second section. So right hand has 6 notes. It goes C up to F, G, B flat, C, C. That's it for the right hand. Okay, so 6 notes. One more time, it goes C, F, G, B flat, C, C. That's it for the right hand. Left hand we have the same 5 chords as before, so you know that already. A flat major, E flat, C, E flat. Second chord E flat major, which is E flat, G, B flat. Third chord F minor, F, A flat, C, and fourth chord back to E flat major and C minor. Okay, so you know these 5 chords already. A flat major, E flat major, F minor, E flat major, C minor. So these 5 chords in mind, the 2 hands together goes like this. So first of all, we play the first 4 chords on the left hand by itself. Goes dun, 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 and then dun, C and C minor together. Like that. And that's it. Repeat it. Together. And you play that for 4 times more. Okay, but anyway, for this second section, it's easy to remember. You play the C on the right hand first note with the last chord on the left hand. Okay, so it's different aspect to the first section. Okay, but anyways, that's it for the second section. Moving on to the third section, give you a preview right now. It goes like this. Check it out. And you just repeat it. Okay, etc. Okay, let's learn it right now. Right hand has 6 notes. It goes D, C, C, D, C, B flat. And that's it for the right hand. One more time. It goes D, C, C, D, C, B flat. And that's it for the right hand. Okay, that's the right hand. Left hand, same 5 chords again. Once again, so it's A flat major, E flat major, F minor, E flat major, C minor. And that's it. One more time for these 5 parts. This 5 chords. The A flat major, E flat major, F minor, E flat major, C minor. 2 hands together goes like this. So goes D and A flat major together. C and E flat major together, F minor by itself, right continues on the C, and then D and E flat major together, C by itself, B flat by itself, and C minor by itself, like that. So it goes together, together, here, together, here, and that's it. And then repeat it. Like that, simple. Okay, that's the third section. Okay, now moving on to the fourth and last section. This section is probably the hardest one because there's like a bit faster on the right hand and has like a triplet kind of feel for one of the phrases. Okay, so give you a preview, it goes like this. And you repeat this whole phrase. Right now. So this phrase is actually longer. You can see that the left hand plays the 5-chord pattern for 2 times. So you can see it's just longer, this phrase, okay? Anyways, so here we go. Right hand, let's actually break it up into 2 parts so it's easier to learn. So the first part of this 4th section goes like this, goes B flat C, B flat up to F, down to G, B flat C, and that's the first part of this 4th section. One more time, it goes like this, goes B flat C, B flat F, G, B flat C, and that's it for the right hand. Left hand, 5 chords again, so A flat major, E flat major, F minor, E flat major, C minor. So with these 5 chords in mind, A flat major, E flat major, F minor, E flat major, C minor. 2 hands together goes like this. A flat major starts off by itself, B flat and E flat major together, B flat and F minor together, G and E flat major together, C and C minor together, like that, okay? One more time for this first part, so we play like this. Here, together, 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 like that. So it's just like that. Awesome stuff. Okay, now moving on to the second part of this 4th section. Similar, it goes B flat C, B flat up to F, F, G, D, and that's it for the right hand for the second part. One more time, it goes like this. It goes B flat C, B flat up to F, F, G, D, and that's it for the right hand. Left hand, same 5 chords again, so the A flat major, E flat major, F minor, E flat major, C minor. You should know this very well, it's always these 5 chords, okay? Once you get that, the 2 hands together for the second part goes like this, okay? A flat major starts off by itself, B flat and E flat major together, B flat and F minor together, F and E flat major together, D and C minor together, like that. One more time for the second part, it goes here, together, 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 like that. Okay, like that. Just like that for the second part. Yes, okay, so back to back, the 2 parts, you play this for a total of 4 times as well, so it goes. Yeah, always remember you rest on that C minor chord for longer than usual, and then the other chords. Yeah, and that's pretty much it, okay? So, yeah, that's that, okay? So, as I said before, it's actually these 4 particular sections in this song, okay? Whether or not if it's playing by itself or whether it's not, it's like overlapping each other. Sometimes like 3 happening at the same time. Sometimes like the first section plus the second section plus the 4th section, okay? It's like all blended together, which is impossible for like 2 hands to actually play it. But anyway, yeah, you can like put it on like a program and you can automatically play it for it or something. But anyways, yeah, you go ahead and enjoy these particular sections, and yeah, you can actually the first section is actually playable if you have big enough hands. You just go like, you can do like you can do like that. You can do it like that. And you combine that with the second section if you can like. Etc. Okay, but it will be harder if you combine that also with the so it's still possible. You can actually do that like that. Yeah, have fun with it. Okay, so you can just mix and match with those section, and yeah, if you're more comfortable afterwards, you can actually like improvise on that as well. Okay, so anyways, a lot of synth sounds, so remember it's hard to actually imitate that on the piano. There's also those echo sounds that you can imitate for the chords. You can be like dun dun, you can do that. So it's like the echo, you're just playing that higher chords for the, you're just playing it and repeating it to like kind of imitate that echo. You could be like etc. Okay, you can just play around with that. Okay, but anyways, that's pretty much it. So hope you enjoyed this lesson. Go ahead, check out the other musical content, and as for now, see you next time.